Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can enable the developer console in CS2. So if you used to play around with the console in CSGO, then you have come to the right place. First what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam. Then you're going to go to library, you're going to right click on your game, go into properties, scroll down and right here minus console. And that is how to open the console from the launch options. But if you want to open it from the game, you need to open up game. Here we're going to go into settings menu, and here we're going to go into game. If you put minus console in launch options, then this will always be disabled. But if you haven't put it in the launch options, then when you open up game, this will be set as no, and you can select it as yes. If you want to bind the key to another key, then you can just go into keyboard and mouse and then scroll down until you find tool console, and you can just set it to anything, this, that, anything you want. But I like the default one. So there it is guys, that is how to open the console in CS2. Do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.